Hey everybody, in this video I'm gonna be showing you guys how to withdraw the bank from Bitcoin cloud mining account. So before we get started, I just want you guys to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more amazing helpful content like this. With that all being said, let's get started with today's video. Alright guys, so let me just open the instructions. So first of all, you have to access your cloud mining account. So log in into your cloud mining account dashboard, then initiate withdrawal. So locate a withdraw or payout section within your account. This is typically where you can request a withdrawal of your earned Bitcoin, and then just select withdrawal method. Choose the option to withdraw your Bitcoin earnings to your bank account. You may need to provide your bank account details such as your routing and account numbers, and then just confirm withdrawal details. So review the withdrawal amount and destination bank account information to ensure it is correct before submitting the withdrawal request, and then just wait for the processing to be done. The cloud mining provider will process your withdrawal request, which may take several business days to appear in your bank account. The processing time can vary depending on the provider's policies and procedures. So this is how you do it, guys. If you found this video to be helpful, then thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video very soon. Peace.